chair.
Oh no, I'm going up.
You're going up?
I'm going up. Why the water's letting me
Because
go
you
up?
have floaties. That's the reason why people don't stay where they are. Baby, so
have floaties?
cold. It's so warm.
Yeah, I know.
Hindi, nandun sa wallet na ano, yung stripe ko. Nandun sa
Mama, let me take my clothes from
belt bag.
Mama.
Yung gamit ko kanina, yung belt bag. Itim. Belt bag, yung andun sa may table ni Majoy.
Very good.
Ito lah. Yeah.
Mama, I want to rest here.
Ay! Yung ears mo, malagyan ng water. Ganda mo naman la. May 250 dyan sa may ano boy, nandyan.
You want to rest in the
Nandyan sa
water?
may ano, cabinet.
I want to rest in the
Yung
water.
sukli ng tubig.
I want to rest in the water.
Yung ulo mo na, malagyan ng tubig. Woo! Huwag ka higa. And it's dito la.
Okay,
Oh no.
go.
Baby song. Just
Bawas pa ako ng 50 kasi kulang yung sa bigas sa 5 kilo. 70 yun, 54 kilo.
magkano kina mo? Ay, yung 250 dyan, tsaka
The water's
Pangulang.
sa wallet ko. Sa wallet ko? Ba't may coke ka la?
because of ducks.
That's so sarap. Mabasa yung cellphone. Oh my God, mabasa.
Well, just put it over there.
Mabasa yung cellphone. Selfie tayo la. Smile. Labas yung dede ko. Smile. Para tayong timang la.
Mama, put your phone inside there.
Tama na.